This is NOI Techpark, home to the teaching lab of the Faculty of Agricultural, Environmental and Food Sciences. In the Master in Food Sciences, laboratory training is central to the learning experience. Students work directly with food products, analytical method, sensory analysis, and experimental data.
In our labs, students apply scientific principles to real food systems. In this video, we will introduce you to our state-of-the-art laboratories where students combine food production, analytical science, and product development.
Here in the kitchen lab, students transform raw ingredients into real food products. They work with dough preparation, fermentation, baking, cooling, and finishing technologies. They learn how formulation and processing affects structure, texture, quality, and shelf life.
Food quality is also shaped by human perception. Sensory analysis helps students understand how consumers experience food and beverages.
In the sensory analysis lab, students explore how aroma, flavour, colour and mouthfeel influence food and beverage quality. Through wine tasting and structured evaluation, they learn how to collect and interpret sensory data for product development and quality assessment.
Behind every food product, there is measurable evidence. Chemical, physical, and microbiological analysis help students evaluate quality, safety, and authenticity.
In the Chemical and Physical Analysis Lab, students explore the composition, safety, and quality of foods. They use different analytical approaches, including macrobiological analysis, physical measurements of texture and color, and classical chemical techniques such as titration, chromatography, and spectrometry. Working with local foods, confectionery products, and botanical extracts, students learn how scientific data can support food safety, authenticity, quality control, and innovation.
In the master program, students study more than just food science. They experience it firsthand. Through practical training, advanced laboratory work, and scientific thinking, they develop the skills required to tackle the current challenges of ensuring food quality, authenticity, sustainability, and innovation.